Hi guys! If your iPhone is stuck on the support.apple screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, begin by checking your charger and cable. Make sure you're using a reliable, Apple-certified charger and cable. A weak or unstable power source can sometimes be the cause of this issue. If your device supports iOS recovery mode, follow these steps. While your phone is connected, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons at the same time. Select the recovery mode option when it appears on the screen. Wait for the process to finish. The system will reset. Try doing a force restart. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Wait for the restart to complete. The system will reset. If this method doesn't work, use another Apple device or a friend's phone to contact Apple support. You can reach them through their app or website for more help. And that's how you can fix your iPhone stuck on the support.apple.com/restore screen. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone facing this issue, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.